So here's the actual first box I covered in 2 layers of Dura-Tex so far, and I'm pretty stoked with how it turned out, which is exactly how I expected, and based on the pictures I found online, how the texture looks, this is exactly how the texture turned out. As you can see, it's pretty rugged, scuff and scratch resistant, so it's ideal for like situations where it's going to be a lot of wear and tear and a lot of probably heavier items being placed on top. So this is probably even better than putting fabric or carpet on the boxes, which is ideal because it's easy to clean, and it's supposedly water resistant. So yeah, this was definitely a great choice. So I'm just gonna show you the top and the sides, and I will need to ask you guys, if you guys watch this, what do you guys think looks better, to have the entire box covered in black, top, bottom, and sides, or should I leave the underside basically exposed like that? So I'm not sure if I should put a little poll that you guys can vote on, but still debating if I should leave the underside exposed like that, or if I should cover that also in black. So, but yeah, overall I'm really happy how this turned out. Like, it's pretty badass. Like, I can't stop looking at it, and it's rugged, simple, has a nice clean uniform look, looks very professional, and again, it's easy to clean and water resistant. So the next step is finish the other boxes and then re-put the screws back in, attach the hinges, and then eventually attach the drawers, the drawer slides, and then rebuild the actual drawers, and go from there. So pretty cool. So I'll post another video soon with the drawers installed, and then go from there. But for right now, I just wanted to get a bit of feedback from you guys and have you guys throw your 2 cents in and see which one I should go for, like the exposed underside, or if I should cover the underside with black also. So I guess pros and cons to each way. Yeah, so a big shout out to Dura-Tex. They got a really good product, like actually a great product. So thank you guys for that. That was a lot easier and less stressful than just trying to apply fabric on top, which would have taken a lot longer than should have taken. But I'm glad I found these guys, and they got a great product. So thanks to Dura-Tex.